Today video is Caillou going to the go-kart camp for 4 years / behaves there / becomes a #1 race car driver / ungrounded. Is requested by Go. And Go, no more sending a request to me, because I thinking some more videos I want to make for myself. So enjoy this video everyone.
Caillou, come on, we're going to the go-kart camp. What's a go-kart camp? Go-kart camp is a racing camp for kids or teenagers, including adults, too. Okay? But do you mean out of on indoor speedway and events? Yes. But it's also the same thing too, and people also drive go-karts. Go-kart is a race car too, but not like normal cars out there. People drive go-kart really fast, but you can't drive regular cars fast. If you do, then you're going to jail. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. But who's going to the go-kart camping with us? Probably Rosie and Classic Caillou, and Doris. And then my brother Classic Boris and Doris' sister Classic Doris. Okay. But, what about your two twin brothers Chorus and Goris? Here's the problem, see. Chorus and Goris live in downtown, so we going to take our only family instead. Okay, I guess.
Dad, where are we going? Wait, I know, don't tell me. We're going to Peter Piper Pizza.
No, we're not going to Peter Piper Pizza. Shut up about Peter Piper Pizza. We going somewhere else fun instead of Peter Piper Pizza.
What? Is this a joke or something? Dad, we don't never go to Peter Piper Pizza.
Boris and Rosie, y'all calm down back there.
Yeah, like he said.
No, Rosie started first. She kept talking about Peter Piper Pizza. I told her we're not going to.
Just shut up, Dad.
Mom, I got a question.
What?
You know I have a car, right? So why can't I drive my own car?
The reason why is you gotta wait until you know where you going.
Okay. But, where are the others?
Plotagon only got 2 people in the separate seats.
I know that, Mom. I talking about where's Doris and Rosie and the others?
Boris and Doris got Classic Caillou and Classic Rosie.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
Dad, can you tell Mom can we skip the go-kart camp and go to Peter Piper Pizza?
No, Rosie, we're not going to Peter Piper Pizza. Besides, I don't have to tell her what to do, because she's an adult, including me.
But Dad, take me to the Peter Piper Pizza right now. Ow.
Rosie, just shut the fuck up right now. Ow.
Okay, why? That's what I thought.
Hello and welcome to the Alabama Indoor Speedway events. How can I help you?
Yes, we all 7 of us here to riding on a go-kart.
Okay, sure, come on in. So, what's your name?
My name is Boris Anderson, and this is my wife Doris Anderson, and that's my brother and sister Boris Classic Anderson and Doris Classic Anderson.
Okay, what about for y'all children?
That's my son Caillou, and my daughter Rosie.
Also they are son Classic Caillou and our daughter Classic Rosie.
Okay, I see. So somebody's birthday party's today?
Actually, our son's birthday had passed. We just came here to have fun, that's all.
Okay, here's your mask and helmets. Now what size you wearing?
I'm wearing a size large.
Okay, what about you, the man?
I wear a size large, too.
Okay. So what kind of size you wearing?
I wear a medium.
What size you wearing?
I wear a size large.
Okay, what about you, the one?
No. I want to go to Peter Piper Pizza. 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 I want to go to Peter Piper Pizza.
You know what, Rosie? You're not riding the go-kart with us. cause I'm sick of your nonsense. Sorry, it just me and my wife's daughter Rosie gets on my nerves about Peter Piper pizza thing.
I understand. Now what size you wearing?
I wear a size extra large.
Sheesh, you'll need to lose weight, bro. Where you go?
Is okay, I tried my best to work out, but thanks anyway.
What size you wear?
I wear a size medium.
Okay, Hugo. Now what size you wear?
Give me a large medium, please.
Here you go, ma'am. Now you're ready to go sit for Rosie.
What?
Chill. Now I need you to be on your best behavior while I'm gone.
God damn it, now I'm stuck in here.
Now are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Like ready as always.
Okay, now let's go to the go-karts.
Okay, I'm ready. Now time to put my helmet on. Now I'm all ready to go.
Hey, I know you're someone.
What? Me?
Yeah, I'm telling you, I remember you killed my father.
What? But I didn't kill your father?
Yes, you did. Stop lying. That's why you lose this race.
We'll see about that, ha ha ha.
Alright, if you need me to put your seatbelts on, just cough here, then I'll help you.
Hey mister, I don't know how to put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, me neither.
Alright, I'm going to help you guys.
Excuse me, little boy. Please take your glasses off.
What? No, go buy somewhere else.
I'm sorry, little boy, but I have to take your glasses away from you.
But wait, ma'am, I can still wipe out my glasses.
That's the rules, now give it to me.
No, now I can't see the road. Hey, you still got this. Someone this funny. You're right, I still got this. But wait, are you supposed to sell me seat? It doesn't matter. I'm just here to cheer you up this zone. Okay, guy, just don't hurt me. Sheesh, my little sister got on my nerves.
Alright, you all buckle up.
Yes, I am.
Alright, don't forget to put your helmet on.
Alright, thanks. Alright, now I'm ready to go.
Alright, listen up. Try not to bump anyone, okay? And try not to hit the walls. If you do, you always will reverse it. The reverse and drive switch is on your right side. Then your brake pedal is red and your green pedal is green. So when you drive, make sure you pay attention, okay? So when I say go, you go. On your mark, get set, go!
I can't believe this is finally happening. Oops! Got to focus on the road.
Good trailer, man.
Yeah, good try. Now you have to pay what you did.
Get ready, you guys.
I got a bad feeling about this. Oh Jesus Christ. Now I already losing. Crap.
Ha! You should pay attention. Now this what you get. Okay. Shoot! Now this on me!
Haha. Now that's what you get. Now time to focus on the road.
I hope I'm paying attention this time. What? What's that? Watch where you going, Dad.
Sorry, there's nothing I can do.
Classic Caillou moves work.
I couldn't feel Caillou.
No, Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Yes! Now I'm the only person who can win.
No! Why? Just freak. Why? Hey, somebody needs to watch where they're going.
That would be me.
Why does everyone keep bumping each other at the same damn time?
Sorry, I had to reverse it back. There, now I'm all ready to go.
Yahoo! 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 I can't believe I'm the only person who could win. Oh shoot. Classic Caillou is almost crashing into me. Oh no! It's closer than me. I gotta hurry up and drive to the finish line. Ha 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 ha. Get ready, Caillou, because I am coming for you. Come on, Caillou. Don't let him win. Yes, I won. Yahoo! Second place, baby.
Man, I can't believe I lost. However,
Yahoo! I can't believe I got a third place. I hope it's still good.
Man, I can't believe I lost. Oh, we'll see about that.
Just keep driving, Boris, until we get there.
Man, I don't know what place I'm at now.
Alright, I'll see you guys back. Go ahead, take your helmets off. Oh, and here's our grade books.
No, I'm the 6th place.
I'm in the 7th place. Oops, seems like I'm the 3rd place. I guess is okay.
God darn it, I'm in the 7th place too.
what? Am I in the 10th place?
Is okay, little fella. Please calm down. It's just the go-kart camp.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm the 6th place.
Yahoo! 2nd place, baby. Yes. I won, baby. Whoop whoop.
Great job, man. And I'll say you in first place.
I know that. Thanks. Quick! You and Classic Rosie and Classic Caillou stand on top of the racing podium, so I can take a picture of you guys. Okay. Okay, Dad, is this good enough? Yes, now y'all say cheese.
Cheese.
Look at us. We have so much fun without Rosie. I used to be a teenager, but I all grown up. Now I'm 19 years old. Same here, Caillou. I used to be 56. Unfortunately, I'm 59.
Yep, me and Boris getting up there. He's still at the age 50s, and I still at the age 40s. For now long, I am 47 years old.
Yep, I remember that. We won the go-kart place by 6 years? No, Dad, we went the go-kart camp by 4 years, because this year is 2026. Oh. Yeah. Right.
Hey, Classic Rosie. Guess who I am?
I don't know.
It's me, silly goose.
Oh, hello, Boris.
But you can still call me Dad if you want to.
Okay, Dad.
Guess who I am, Daddy?
Ugh, don't call me Daddy ever again. You can call me Pops, or whatever. Remember, you are 15 years old.
Sorry about that, Dad. Anyways, I want to talk about something.
What is it? Classic Caillou.
Dad, is about Mom. She feeling sick today, and maybe dying. Dad, what is wrong with her?
Nothing's wrong with her. She just feeling sick. She only 57 years old now.
Okay, but how old are you now?
69. Is okay, she's not dead, she's still living.
Boris, where are you? I can't see. Wah.
Doris, is that you?
Yes, you idiot, take me to the hospital. I can't see. Wah.
Doris? You already got glasses on.
I know that, but I can't see. Wah. I think my glasses were broke. Ow, my eye.
You're right, Doris. Your glasses were broken after all. We finna take you to the hospital.
Okay, but that doesn't mean you have to poke me in the eye.
Oops. Sorry. Make sure you leave a like on this video, and subscribe. And, oh, yeah! I pretend this year is 2026. But, is not actually 2026. Is 2023, because it's made for this request. So, I made the entire Anderson's family old but, some of them young. And also, don't forget, no more sending me a request of me, because I feel like doing today's video to myself. Now, I finna make Caillou and his family, also classic Caillou and his family too, packages from this year. So get ready, go! You're welcome, all the Anderson's family groups. Now, goodbye, guys.